How to find taxes on your Vrbo code and confirmation. Hi everyone, I'm Tuesday. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Vrbo and search your location. Then go to the dates and select the room you want. And in here, scroll down to the bottom, you will find Begin Booking. Simply click on Begin Booking in here. After you click on Begin Booking, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down and on the right side you will find service fee. There, below that you'll find taxes as well. And if there's no service fee, you'll just find price details. There you'll find taxes. In my case, the taxes is $881.79. And in this way, you will be able to find taxes. This is how to find taxes on your Vrbo code and confirmation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.